Hello, this is Chris Gibson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, and today I'd like to provide a brief. Here is an example of radar data collected in November of 2003. Now on this image, the greens and yellows represent snow, and as you can see, some of the snow is organized in bands from west to east across the area. There is a strong band from near Lolo Hot Springs across Lolo and then eastward to Drummond, and there's a second somewhat less organized band over the southern Bitterroot Valley, especially in the vicinity of Darby. Now in this case, if you were in Missoula, indicated by the red dot in the middle, it probably would not be snowing at all. But if a person were to drive south towards Stevensville, you would run into a snow squall in the vicinity of Lolo or just south of Lolo. So this gives you an idea of how quickly conditions can change as indicated by radar data if a person was to try to drive through that snow band. Now these bands are organized by strong westerly winds in this case, near mountaintop level. Here's another case from later that same day in 2003. Now the bands of snow squalls, or the snow bands, have become less intense, but by this time there's a band now impacting the I-90 corridor from Alberton to Missoula and then eastward. Here's some radar data collected on January 29th of 2013. This large band of snow is unusual because it is oriented from north to south. You can see it extends from Hot Springs to the Missoula area and then south into the Bitterroot Valley. At this time, heavy snow had been occurring at 9 Mile for over an hour, and you can see by the photograph on the upper left that the heavy snow had impacted the road surface and the visibility. Meanwhile, the snow was just beginning to move into downtown Missoula and areas like that, and just northeast of Missoula in the Rattlesnake Valley, the snow had not arrived yet, so we had good visibility while the roads were still covered from snow that occurred earlier in the morning. 2 hours later, on January 29th, this band of heavy snow had shifted slowly east. By this time it had been impacting downtown Missoula for about 2 hours, and also the I-90 corridor from near Missoula out to about Clinton. To the southwest at Lolo Pass, the showers had weakened a great deal because this area was well to the west of this heavy snow band, and the sun was beginning to peek out at times. Meanwhile, in Missoula proper and northeast Missoula, it was snowing heavily. By this time, downtown Missoula had been severely impacted. Hopefully this gives you an idea of the complexity of dealing with this phenomena over western Montana. It's very difficult to forecast days in advance where these bands will line up and where the heaviest snowfall will occur. As always, for the latest weather information, follow us on Twitter and monitor our webpage. Thank you.